So today I'm going to show you a Schwing P305 2008. I'm going to show you exactly the work we're going to be doing to it so you understand better how far we're going with this machine. So as you see here, these are the two material cylinders, two brand new material cylinders. This will go on the machine along with the wearable items such as the wear plate, the cutting ring, the S-tube bearings, the agitator bearings. All of those things are going to be brand new. The machine will be 100% operational. We're going to do some slight painting. It's going to look good. It's going to have brand new stickers. It'll have a brand new side gauge, brand new hydraulic oil, brand new hydraulic filter. The control panel will have all new electronics, all new toggle switches. The E-stop will be brand new. Also, this machine has a great thing, which is a new hydraulic pump. As you can see here, the hydraulic pump has been replaced, and this is a brand new one. The engine also, we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna change the oil, the filters. It's a regular thing we always do here. But additionally, we're gonna make sure the pumps, the fuel pumps, the fuel injection pumps, and the actual injectors are working properly. So the engine will be checked. Once that's done, we're gonna start the assembly. This right now, this machine is completely disassembled. The idea is to find all the hidden issues, all the problems that it might have. That's why we disassembled them right now. As you see, the hopper is gone, and when we bring it back, all the wearable items are gonna be placed back together. Let me show them to you. Okay, so here you have all the wearable items, wear plates, throttle cables, cutting rings are in the bottom, a lot of hydraulic hoses. There's a lot of parts here that are gonna go into this machine besides what is already on. I'm gonna show you real quick the way these machines are supposed to look.